Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to log missed period on Flo app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flo application, which of course I've done right here. Now, where exactly can you get the Flo app? You can get Flo app on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Flo app and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the app. Now, after downloading the application successfully, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for Flo app. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. After doing that, it's going to take you into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the Flo app. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to log missed period on Flo app. So how do you do that? From this home screen, I'd like you to click on edit period date. So go ahead and click on edit period date. Now you see I have set my period date to be 1st to 5th of May. So it means by prediction, if I log this and I say save, by prediction, it means by June 1st to 5th, I should be on. Okay. So I'm just going to click on that log period again. And in here, if I miss my period, I'm just going to have to uncheck any of the boxes that I have already checked. So let's say, for example, I have missed today. So I'm going to uncheck this. Okay, not today because today is just starting. That's the prediction. So if I missed any of these days, maybe I'm just going to say day 4. So I'm going to uncheck that box to signify that I have missed that day, or I missed that day, or that day I didn't see my period. Or let's say day 5, I didn't see it that day, and it's predicted to last for 5 days. So that's it, and I go ahead and click on save. You see it's analyzing my data. So that's it. That's to see that you have missed your period. So I can go the way back and uncheck this box. Let's say I've checked the 5 and I say I missed day 3. So I'm just going to click on that OK, and you see my data will be analyzed again. So any date that you miss, just go ahead and uncheck it, and that's just going to be pretty much it. So you can go over to tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.